How's it going today, people? Nate's update here, FunLabs Design Studio. I just wanted to show you, these are some of the first videos I've ever made for a YouTube channel. It was the process for Lady Deathstrike, the background and the explanation, inking, video time-lapse with the story. Some of you may have seen that. The quality wasn't so great, I apologize for that. I was new to YouTubing, unfortunately. Now I have to fix that and re-upload it, but I just wanted to show you a little bit of what I was doing in those videos, a little bit better quality. So some of the one of it, I was using the Bezier curve tool to clean up some of these, put the white border around, and you can zoom in. I'll zoom in here, and I used the Bezier curve tool. So like selected, you'll see in that, and then kind of you can pull a bend, go like that. There we go. There, and then once it full, it's kind of like a lasso tool. Then you can just delete, and then you go Control Shift A, disappear, and then it just cleans it up. But then say if you miss a little bit here, you're like, oh no, so press B for brush, and then E for eraser, so the eraser's on now, and then make sure it's on. There you go. Just tidy that up, and there you go. You got a nice little clean outline for your digital paintings. Fairly new, I haven't been able to post a lot. I apologize for that. I've been busy, but I do have lots of client work coming. I'm super happy. It was my first movie poster, and it is in comic book style, so I'm grateful for that. And I appreciate all of you for your support. Lots more is coming to the channel. There'll be the animations, the Marvin the Monster tutorial, which I can't wait to go over and show you all. This will be available to purchase as a digital print. If you would like it, please comment below that you'd like one. It would be greatly appreciated. Any support goes towards more channel equipment. And yeah, thank you again. You have a great day.